amazing to watch, though.
Incredible, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, she's moving. Wow, look at that. Just see the little... You're a good girl cleaning up.
Very good. Ain't quite a puppy yet, Bailey Bum. That's it, girl. Bailey. She gets distracted. Her automatic instinct is to eat that stuff. That's it, push, girl. Good girl. I think you can do it. No, that's it. Keep pushing, girl.
It's distracting her a little bit, so it's not shaking so much.
Yeah.
Squashing it a little bit. So.
I think it should be alright. She needs to lay on her side. That's it. Lay on your side, Bailey Bum. Good girl.
At least you've got to come around here and see this.
Because it looks like a little egg. Good girl. Push, Bailey Bum. Good girl. Ain't finished yet, girl. Don't worry about cleaning up just yet. Ain't your pup. That's it. Good girl. Good girl, Bailey.
Wow.
Here we
Oh,
go.
my word. Oh my goodness.
Good girl, Bailey.
Oh,
She's
wow.
gonna
It's
be a
big.
Good girl, Bailey.
She's going to be
Has she got to take that off before it can breathe?
Yep, she will.
No. That's much bigger than I thought.
Come on, Bailey, get that little sack off of you, little monkey. So weird you do. I don't want to. Ah, okay. Yeah.
Has she got it?
She's trying to chew on it. Yeah. She knows what she's doing. It's just that you don't want to touch him either because it might freak her out. Come on, bake a sack, Baby Bum.
It still seems to be a little bit stuck in her.
Yeah, lay back, little fatso. Oh, go on then, go, baby. It's like she's exhausted already. She's broken the sack.
Oh,
yet.
yeah.
Good,
Oh,
good.
he's moving.
Brilliant. Good girl, Baby Bum.
Oh, my
His little face is still in the
word.
sack. That's it. He's almost out. Good girl, Bailey Bum. Oh, we're ready to come to the next one, Bailey.
Is the other one coming?
Oh, yep, here comes the next one.
Yeah, I can see this.
Oh, no, that's just one.
That's just one. He's
Oh,
big.
look how beautiful it is.
Oh, my
Gorgeous,
word.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Black and tan, like
Bailey,
her.
try and roll back, you little fatso.
Look at his little paw.
That's
Imagine if
amazing.
she just one big one. Oh, my word, no, she's got a couple more to go yet in your fatso. Look how beautiful that is.
Oh, he's gorgeous.
It's amazing, isn't it? He's absolutely tiny. Good girl. Oh. Come on, we get emotional.
Oh, that's amazing, isn't it? Oh, look at him breathing. To think we could feel them moving about in the... Is he completely out?
Yeah, that one's out.
Oh, bless
Good
you.
girl, Bailey girl. Good girl.
Oh, look at him.
Oh.
Good
His
girl.
little head.
I'll be thinking, what on earth? So used to being in the...
What a good girl.
She's
It's unusual,
brilliant,
yeah,
isn't
to
she?
eat that whole sack like that,
Yeah.
that quick.
Yeah.
Good girl,
Good
Bailey.
girl.
It's good that you're supposed to touch like and she get used to it. You know that she
Yeah.
knows you're not going to take her away or anything.
She's very trusting of us, though, isn't
Yeah,
she?
she is.
Good girl.
Oh, look at her. She's like, what is that? Is that your baby?
Oh,
Baby? Yes,
Oh,
it
good mum,
is.
Bailey.
Oh,
yeah, she is. Look at her cleaning her up.